You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English and learn more in English, generally speaking, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. There are two slightly different pronunciations. Basically, in English, this is normally pronounced as wand, with a more of an O sound. Yes, I know the spelling is with an A, but the pronunciation, at least in British English, pronunciation is more as wand. Wand. That's how it would be said in the UK, British English, wand. Now, the American say it with a more open R sound. It sounds more like wand. Alright, so the American English sounds a little more like the spelling, wand, while the British English sounds more like wand. They're both correct in their own way. What do you think? How do you pronounce it? Wand? Should it be pronounced wand or wand? Let me know. Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.